Welcome back, everyone. We are so excited to show you how we made yet another massive profit simply using our program flipping tickets. In this particular example, and it only took us minutes of work because it only requires just a few minutes to buy and list them, we made over 65% return. That's right, try getting that kind of return in today's stock market or crypto market. You're not going to see it. Tickets is the only asset class right now that is generating this kind of return. We do this on a daily basis, and our program does all the work for you and tells you exactly which locations, artists, and venues will be most profitable. We recommend using our alerts as part of the gold package. You can use the link down below to sign up for the gold program. It's dirt cheap compared to the profits that you can make, and you could pay for years of service on just a single flip. So let's take a look at the event and the numbers. That is the best part. So with this alert, we were alerted to buy Machine Gun Kelly at Madison Square Garden, along with Avril Lavigne and Ian Dior. Those were the openers. And we bought just one pair of tickets here with this example. Not the best seats on the floor. They were decent seats, right? You know, a common misconception is that you need the absolute best seats in the venue, first, second row, to make a huge profit. And that's simply not the case. In fact, our video training tells you exactly which tickets to buy. And no, they do not have to be front or second row in order to make a good return. So we bought some tickets here in section F, row 10, seats 12 and 13, and the total came out here to $436.60 after little fee there and the two tickets. This is for two tickets, and we listed them on StubHub, and ultimately they sold for a combined subtotal of $801.66, minus the service fee that came out to $721.50. They only took a handful of days to sell, and so for those of you that are trying to eke out a 10, maybe 12 or 15% return annually in a year, well, folks, this is the way to go because we made over 65% in just a few days. So when you punch in the numbers here, you put in that first value, that is the total that we bought the tickets for, that's $436.60, and then you put in value 2, which is $721.50. That was a total payout. And that also equates to over 65.25% return. You don't need any experience, you don't need any special skills or prior knowledge, you don't even need a degree, you don't need a high school diploma. Anyone can do this. In fact, all you really need is your cell phone, a laptop, a computer, a tablet, whatever you got, you can do the business. If you're watching this video right now, you're able to do the business because you just need an internet connection and a device. We make these kinds of profits every week, every day, and it's how we make a part or a full-time income right from home or anywhere in the world on the go. Some people do it as a side gig, some people are working multiple jobs and still able to do the business because it's mostly automated, and many are doing this full-time as a mainstream of income as their main source. If you have any questions, as always, let us know down below in the comments section or send our support team an email, and we'll be sure to get back to you guys with any questions or comments that you may have. And if you want to get started, you can sign up today right away using the link down below in the description and the comments section. You can get started today and start learning and making your first profit. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you give it a big thumbs up and like it. Share the video with a friend if they're interested in this sort of business as well. Spread it on social media, post it to your social because many people need to know about these kinds of side streams of income, and especially today's economy. People need this money desperately, and this is the way to do it. Also, make sure that you are subscribed so you don't miss any future videos, and make sure you have notifications turned on. That will actually notify you every time we do post a brand new video. We look forward to seeing you guys in the next one. Take care for now.